Congratulations, you got the CEO Starter Kit. Now you need to know, what are you supposed to do next? Okay, you're going to make sure you get a free Canva account first. Download the app on your phone. Then you're going to download the PDF, and when you click on page 2, you have 9 books underlined. Click on the first book. It's going to open up inside of Canva. Now you're going to spend 1 or 2 hours changing the title of each book. Then you're going to change any photos from me to you, change any links from my links to your links. Now you're going to go back to book number 1, and you're going to go through each step week by week. You can literally bring out all 4 weeks in 2 days if you are being super passionate about this. You're going to figure out what your why is, what your purpose is, who your niche is, and what platform you're going to choose to use. I know these books talk a lot about Instagram, but a lot of this stuff, like 98% of the stuff in these books, reference Instagram, but you can merge those tactics and those tips and tricks over into TikTok. Once you did all of that, now you're going to save all of your documents as PDF. You're going to go into Canva, and just like I created a 3-page document and have the links, you're going to do the same thing. Create your links inside of Canva. I'm going to post a video. Give me a few hours, and I'll make sure I get the video up, and I'll send it to you guys. Then you're going to start posting your content, and we're going to be consistent and start making this money.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create your links for your CEO Starter Kit. You're going to open up the file in Canva, and at the top where it says template link, you're going to click that. You're going to click on create template link and then copy it. Hit the purple copy button. Then you're going to go and start a whole new document. Click on the menu button and click on create new document. I'm just going to click on Instagram post square for the size of the document, but you can choose anything. We're going to add a text, hitting the text button at the bottom, and then we're going to give it a title. CEO Starter Kit is the name of the page you want to call this, and then we're going to resize it and then hit the text button again so that we can add the title of the first ebook that we want to add onto our CEO Starter Kit package. Hit the text button, give it a title, start your own digital biz. Then we're going to scroll at the bottom and click on more. Hit the more button and scroll over to link. We're going to click that, and then we're going to paste the link that we already copied earlier. Hit the done button, and then at the top you'll see that it says link added. Boom, there you go. Repeat this step for all 8 ebooks. Then you're going to hit the save button.